everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see some beautiful and attractive DIY organization ideas. All ideas are very attractive and unique. Take the screenshot of the picture that you like most and you can easily make similar like this. You just need some pieces of clothes. All these bags are made up of old jeans, so you can recycle your old jeans. We often throw away our old clothes or old jeans, but after watching this video, I hope that you will never throw away your old jeans or old clothes. By using old jeans and old clothes, you can make such type of beautiful bags and can save a lot of money. By using fabric scraps, you can make such type of beautiful designs. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me and also share it with your friends and family members. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe the channel for more videos. And also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more beautiful ideas. Till then, bye bye.